How to clone Telegram desktop. So let's get started. First of all, navigate to Telegram application in your laptop or desktop and then right click on it. From this drop down box, click on open file location. After that, head over to top section. There you'll find roaming, click on it. Now once you get to this interface, you have to copy this Telegram desktop. Copy it and after that paste it somewhere in this interface. After you do that, you'll have Telegram desktop copy. So you have to rename that as Telegram desktop 2. Now, after you rename it as Telegram desktop 2, you have to open it up. There you will find this Telegram. Again, navigate to Telegram and then right click on it. Here click on show more option and then click on create shortcut. Now again go to this Telegram shortcut and then rename this as Telegram 2. Now you have to copy this Telegram 2 again. Now after you have copied, close this interface. Now again you have to navigate to Telegram in your device, right click on it, click on open file location and you have to paste the Telegram 2 right here. Now once you do that, you have to send this to desktop, right click on it and then click on more option and then click on send to and then click on desktop. Now once you close this interface, there you will have Telegram and Telegram 2. Now you can open up this Telegram or you can open up Telegram 2 as well. So this is the way to clone Telegram in your desktop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.